No intro, no outro, straight fire. All right, this is going to be a very, very quick video. So hold on tight. So DXY again, looking for buys throughout the week. So meaning USD CAD, USD CHF, USD JPY will all be buys. So let's see what we have here. As you all see, price hit me out, which is perfectly fine. Wednesday going into Thursday, price did not close above the POC, so no longer looking at this for buys. So we'll have to wait tomorrow close of market to see how price sets up. USD CHF was going in for the buys. Again, price hit my stop loss and price did not close above the POC today. So the buys kind of went down the drain. Looking for price to close above the POC tomorrow to see if I'll make any entries tomorrow, close the market into Friday. And then USD JPY, again, looking for buys. For me, I know a lot of people have been like, hey, you know, price closed above the POC. Why don't you just enter in the buys right here? But the thing with that is I don't know where I would buy to because there's really nothing to the right. So truth be told, just based off of liquidity sweep and price closure below the POC, I probably might be taking this down for sells. So for me, for a sell, 2 of my 3 confluences would have been met. And that for me, I only risk, 1% for me. So price took out buy side liquidity. Price took out buy side liquidity again. So all I'll be waiting for is a close below the POC before entering in for short-term sells, counter trend. All right, AUD USD, as you can see, hit my take profit from last week. Again, looking for sells. So for me, what a good setup will be, buy side liquidity sweep. Buy side liquidity sweep will match up with my DXY confluence. Now just waiting for a close below the POC. EUR USD, same thing. Looking for sells. Price did not close below the POC. Looking for a price closure below the POC. Hopefully this is the highest high that was made and we begin to make lower highs. Great British Pound USD. Again, this is a counter trend. This is a counter trend trade. This is a counter trend trade. Ideally, just based off of the DXY, I'll be looking for sells on this. But being the fact that I'm a little bit risk avert this week, I'm looking for short-term buys. Again, this is a counter trend. My overall bias is sell. Just trying to see what we can do, what can happen, right? If it hits my take profit one and I take partials and then it goes south, then guess what? I made money. And even if it goes south, I'll still be up in profit. So that's cool with me. NZD USD, again, looking for sells. So just waiting for that clean closure below the POC. All right. So that's just an update for the DXY this week. Real quick, cool, calm, and collected. No intro, no outro, straight fire.